My name is Barbie the Welder, and I'm a full-time metal sculptor and author of the books Horseshoe Crafts, 30 Easy Projects You Can Weld at Home, and How to Weld Silverware Animals. They're metal art welding projects for fun and profit. And today I'm going to share with you how to create one of the sculptures right out of my newest book. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this cute little cricket. Now don't be mad because this one doesn't even need any welding whatsoever. All you're going to need is a vise or a way to clamp the fork down. You're going to need one fork. You're going to need a pair of needle nose pliers, possibly a hammer and a chisel. Let's get started. Clamp the fork at the base of the tines and spread the tines out so that the center makes a V. I use a chisel to do this. Clamp your fork at the base of the handle here, and we're going to bend it backwards. Until it's all the way flush with the back of the fork. Clamp your fork again here at the base of the tines with the two pieces in half. We're going to bend this handle all the way forward over until it's flush against the other side of the tines. Hold the body of the cricket in one hand, and with a pair of pliers, take the outside tine, and we're just going to loop it back around. Just open them up just a little bit, and just slowly get them to loop back around, just like this, all the way around. And it does kind of twist towards the outside, and you're just going to let that happen because that'll allow us to make this into a full circle. All the way forward like that, and you just want to take it and just bend the front just down just a little tiny bit, just like that. And I'll give him one little leg, and you're going to want to do the same thing to the outside tine on the other side. Now that you have both legs bent forward, if he's not sitting flush, you can take him and lightly tap on his head. Sorry, little cricket, but when you do that, it'll bend these both down to just about the same spot, and it'll let him sit flush. Our final step is to take our pliers and just take the tip of the antennas, these two inside tines, and we're just going to twist them back, give them a little tiny circle, and that'll give us a little tiny antenna. And do that on both sides. Just a little bit. And there is your cricket. What did you think? Was it a fun project? Leave your comments in the comments below. I love to hear from you. If you thought that was a cool project, check out, look at, it's a piece of paper. Check out my newest book. It's available for pre-order right now. How to Weld Silverware Animals. There are 30 projects that I have shown you step by step, just the way I showed you with that cricket. I show you how to make 30 different animals, including, this is one of my favorites, this cool spider. Everything's completely done out of silverware. So if you like that, you can get your pre-ordered copy of the book on my Etsy shop. I've also left a link in the comments, not the comments, in the, whatever the note thing is that you leave for videos. You're welcome. I'll leave you links down below. Check them out. You can check out my Etsy shop. Just go to Etsy and search Barbie the Welder, or you can go to www.etsy.com/shop/Barbie the Welder. And I've got that book and a whole bunch of other stuff available for you to go and check out. Stay tuned because I plan on doing videos for every single one of the projects, And if you can't wait, go get your copy now. They'll be out very, very soon, and I'm gonna sign all of them personally. Love y'all. Thank you so very much for sharing this project with me. I hope you enjoyed it.